This $1,000 here is all thanks to the AI strategy that I'm going to show you in this video. Everyone is talking about AI right now. We are in unprecedented times. I have genuinely never experienced such an opportunity since the dawn of the internet, so before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Video is your cue to take this seriously, to jump on this trend and make crazy amounts of money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, 3 main ways you can capitalize on this AI gold rush. This is the hard way, which is to build a piece of AI software, invest millions to bring it to market, then maybe hope to sell it in 3 years for $1 billion valuation. Then you could live the rest of your life on some desert island somewhere. Now, that is a great option, and I'm not knocking it, but it's a lot more difficult than some of the other YouTube gurus would like to make out. The second way, which is so much easier but still not my favorite way, is to use the AI tools to create some kind of service-based business or agency. For example, you could use ChatGPT to run a copywriting agency. Then when someone orders copywriting services from you, you could get ChatGPT to do all the hard work, and you make the profit. This obviously can work, and I did give some really good ideas for this type of business. But the problem with this business model is that, yeah, you might make a bit of quick cash, but the more that people become aware of these AI tools, the less that your service is required, because obviously a large portion of your customers could just go and use those AI tools themselves, and they don't need to come to you. The third way, which is my favorite way, and it is so much easier, but you can still make obscene amounts of money and fairly quickly, and I know this because I've been doing it myself and making literally thousands with very little effort. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. Now, there are a few parts to this strategy, so make sure you watch until the end. Plus, I'm even going to reveal my top secret AI tool that you do not want to miss. There are hundreds of new AI products and tools coming out every single week, and they're all competing with each other. But we can use this to our advantage to make money with this strategy. But first of all, in order to do this, we need to know what the latest AI tools are that are being released. And to do this, we're going to head over to this website here called Futurepedia.io. This is a totally free website. It's my secret weapon for finding next AI tools that are coming out, the very best AI tools, and it's just a free directory which gets updated on a daily basis, and they've got any kind of AI tool you can think about, and they're organized by lots of different categories. You can filter them, and you can look at the most popular, and you can scroll through. Obviously, ChatGPT is the most popular here. You can also look at tools added today, so you can see the most freshest tools that have just been added, and you can click through these, read about them, and you can upvote them, and then you can actually click through to the websites. Step 1 in this strategy, what you want to do is you want to come over to Futurepedia and you want to compile a list of around about 10 tools that you think are interesting, that stand out to you personally, because there's so many to choose from. So just scroll around. Maybe you want to focus on a specific category, but you want to compile a list of 10, and you can actually, if you sign up to this for a free account, you can favorite them as well, and they'll all be saved in your favorites tab here, which is very, very helpful. So once you've compiled your list of 10 favorite tools that you found, you want to click on each one of them. For example, this one here, Hypotenuse.ai. Click on that. You want to click through to the web page of that tool. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom of that web page, and you're looking for a section like this here where it says affiliates or partners, because the way that we're going to be making money with these strategies using affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you a genius way that you can make money from this totally for free. But if you don't know, affiliate marketing is a very simple business model where you get paid every time someone signs up for a product with your referral link. I've been doing affiliate marketing for years. I've made millions of dollars from it. It's been going great. But I have never seen an opportunity to make money from affiliate marketing than what we currently have with this AI wave. Because one of the biggest issues with affiliate marketing is finding new interesting products to promote. And this is solved by this AI wave, because companies are churning out AI products every single day. It's almost impossible to keep up with the new tools that are coming out. But that's great news for us as affiliates, because there's no competition, and we've got so many products that we can promote. And because we're affiliates, we don't have to create the tools, we don't have to deal with customer service. We can just sit back and earn passive income. And everyone is happy. The product creators are happy because they're getting traffic to their tools. Their customers are happy because they're getting to use these awesome AI tools themselves. And we're happy because we're getting paid passive income in the process. So once you've found some products that have got an affiliate program like this one, Hypotenuse, which actually pays you 30 recurring commissions for life. So if you get 100 users signed up, you're going to be earning $1,770 every single month. So you can just sign up for the affiliate program by clicking Sign Up as an Affiliate. You can create your free account, and then you will get a unique referral link. But you're not just going to begin spamming that all over social media. There are a few more steps in this strategy that will ensure that you're successful with this. One of the main reasons people don't succeed with affiliate marketing is because they don't provide enough value. And I'm going to show you a genius but super simple way that you can provide value and get people to go out of their way and actually want to use your affiliate link. I'm also going to show you a perfect free traffic source as well. But first, let me show you this. A lot of people that try affiliate marketing, they might find a good affiliate product, but then they'll just grab their affiliate link, they'll post it on social media, and they'll expect to make loads of commissions. But if you want people to use your link, you need to kind of incentivize them. Traditionally, affiliates would offer outdated ebooks and courses as a bonus to try and get someone to sign up with their affiliate link. But I have found an awesome tool that's going to allow you to provide super valuable personalized bonuses. And it literally takes seconds to create them, and it's genius. It's this tool here called Scribe, and I will leave a link to it in the description down below. It's a very simple tool that can turn any process into a step-by-step PDF guide. I'll show you how it works now, and how we're going to use it with this strategy. So what you want to do is you want to sign up for Scribe. It's free to join, and then you want to install the Chrome extension, the Scribe Chrome extension to your computer, and you'll be able to access it up here like this. Basically, what we're going to do is create a very simple step-by-step guide on how to do something with that tool. For example, with this one, this is some kind of AI blog post writing software, and we could create some kind of really simple guide that can show someone how to use this tool and how to write a blog post in 30 seconds using this tool. And that's what we're going to use Scribe for. So all you need to do is just click on Start Recording with Scribe. And it's not recording a video. This is actually a step-by-step PDF guide. It's genius. I'll show you how it works now, and then we can just go through the steps of how to do something. So, for example, I'm just going to come here, click on Try for Free. I'm going to log in, click on Create Blog Post, How to Write. Now, I don't really care about what we're doing. I'm just creating a very simple guide that we can give. The tool's written as a full blog post, but obviously, we're just creating a guide to show someone how to do this, which I think is a genius piece of software. And then what we can do is click on Stop Recording here on Scribe. And what Scribe has done now, we can actually come in and edit this, but it's created as a step-by-step guide, which we can export as a PDF or lots of different formats. So we can edit all these sections here, but you can just have a look at how it works. Step 1, navigate to this website. We can actually change this to our affiliate link, so you'd put /affiliate123, whatever your affiliate link is, and that will be a hyperlink when we actually export the PDF as well. Click on this, and as you can see, it's created a step-by-step guide with lots of images zooming in on the right section, and we can go in and edit any of this if we want to change it or anything like that. Now, this is very useful if someone doesn't know how to do something. Obviously, this tool is quite self-explanatory, but you could create some kind of step-by-step, and then we can click on Share, click on Export, and we can actually export this as a PDF. The totally free account, you don't need to pay for this. And now we have got a downloadable PDF that's called How to Write a Blog Post with Hypotenuse in 30 Seconds, Step by Step. It's got our affiliate link in here, so now we've got this really valuable bonus PDF guide, which we can give to people as an incentive to get them to use our affiliate link. You can also use it as a lead magnet. You can give it to someone before they use your affiliate link as a kind of a lead magnet. And it'll have your affiliate link in here as well, which is another strategy. But for this, we're actually going to be using it as a bonus to give to someone after they sign up with our affiliate link, because someone might find this very valuable if they've never used the tool before. Once you've created your guide, just save that for the moment, and then we need to move on to the traffic, how we're actually going to get people coming to your affiliate links in the first place. So there's a few ways that we can get our link out there and start making commissions. But this method that I'm going to show you is the best if you've got no money and you actually want to get lots of traffic for free and fast. So we're going to use this tool here called vidIQ, and I will leave a link to a $1 trial to vidIQ in the description down below. Now, vidIQ is a super valuable tool that I use all the time. There are lots of different tools under here, but the one we're going to be focusing on in this strategy is this keyword tool here. What you want to do is, whichever tool that you want to promote as an affiliate, so say, for example, it's Hypotenuse, the AI tool or whatever tool it is, you want to come over to vidIQ, click on the keyword section, and then you want to paste in the name of the tool, and you want to click search. And vidIQ, being a YouTube growth tool, is going to show us all the search terms that people are looking for on YouTube, and it's going to show us the competition. I'm going to show you how we can make money from this. It's very, very simple in just a second. I've searched hypotenuse here, and it's showing us the matching keywords of what people are looking for on YouTube. So, as you can see, there's about 3,000 people looking for this because it's a fairly new tool, but there's actually already a bit of competition. But this is where vidIQ becomes very, very useful because you can see what other keywords people are looking for. For example, the keyword Hypotenuse AI versus Jasper AI, which is another AI tool, is getting 4,000 searches, but there's not that much competition because it's been ranked at 68 overall. This is very low competition. So if we go over to YouTube now and just search this keyword, you'll just see the opportunity here. This video here at the top is in Hypotenuse AI review. We obviously found out that it's a bit more competitive, but people are searching for this. Almost 5,000 people searching for Hypotenuse versus AI. And no one has created a video for that. So, if you were to create a very simple YouTube video comparing two AI tools, it's simple to do, and you'd probably bank because no one else has done that video, and people are looking for that. Usually, YouTube wants to show people what someone is looking for, so there's a good chance that you're going to rank, even with a brand new account. All you need to do is create a very, very simple YouTube video, just like this person has done, a screen recorder, not even showing their face. You can do this on any computer, looking at the features inside this tool. Now, you can compare the two tools, create a screen recording video, you don't even really need to do any editing, and upload it. You can start getting clicks. In that video, mention that if they want to sign up for a free hypotenuse trial, they can use your affiliate link in the description below. Paste your affiliate link there. But that's not it. You've got one step over all of your affiliates because you can say anyone that signs up with my affiliate link will get my step-by-step guide on how to create a blog post in 30 seconds using Hypotenuse. That's an incentive for them to use your link. All they need to do is sign up for a free trial, and they're going to get your guide. Then, all you need to do is say if you sign up, drop me an email at this email address. You can even automate that if you want, where you can just have it automate the reply back to them with the guide. Or you can manually do it at the start if you want. There's no chance of running out of video ideas, and there's also no chance of competition because there are so many tools, so many options, and so many different ways that you can do this. This is a very, very genius strategy that will work well if you actually spend the time to create these videos and guides. Also, this is just one video, which could be ranking at the top of Google. If we go back over to vidIQ, all of these keywords here that have low competition, you could create individual videos for Hypotenuse versus Right Sonic, which is another AI tool, Right Sonic versus Hypotenuse, Hypotenuse AI blog. These are all individual videos that you could create. If you spend a bit of time smashing out these videos, maybe on your weekend in your spare time, you could create 10 individual videos that could be ranking on YouTube and getting 1,000 to 3,000 searches every single month. Now, that's just one tool. We go back over to Futurepedia. We repeat the process again with another AI tool. Before you know it, you're getting so much free traffic to your affiliate links, and you're making thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions every single month. The great thing about this strategy is that loads of people watching this video might not be bothered to take action, to record the videos, or maybe they might try recording the videos but can't be bothered to create those little step-by-step guides. If you do all of these, you can make a lot of money because it'll give you the edge over everyone else. A little bonus tip, if you want to skyrocket your profits, don't just rely on this free YouTube traffic. Yes, you can make thousands of dollars from this, and it's passive and free and epic. But what you should be doing is, once you start making a profit from this, reinvest those profits into paid traffic. A really good strategy is to run Google and Bing ads to your affiliate links. I did a full, super valuable video about this a while ago. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.